The next bit is going to be setting up the glue in between and everyone's favorite tool, Zapier. You're going to want to connect a type form to a Twilio. Send a Twilio SMS when a type form is filled out. Perfect. Okay, just continue. Connect your Typeform account. Select the form, make a pad tutorial SMS, which you set before. If you want to put in a result, let's do that actually. Press enter. Okay. If you go to here now, if you want to get more samples, it's probably always best to use something which is connected to your phone so you can test it. Okay, we're getting that right number that we need through. Press continue. And now you're going to want to connect to your Twilio account. Test your Twilio account. We're already logged in here. When you're setting up your Twilio account, you're going to want to add in your IDs and API codes. Let me just see if I can show you how to do it. This is what you'll get. You want to get your account SID and you want to get your auth token. So it can be found Twilio/user/settings. Your account SID is here. And your auth token is here. So enter them, press continue, test your account, and then press save and continue. Okay, once that's done, you are going to want to log into Twilio, and we are going to need a phone number to start with. So go to the left hand menu and find phone numbers, which is this hash here, and if you haven't got one already, click on the plus and this will help you buy a new number. I like to use a mobile number. So you can search. Let's have a look. SMS. Okay, but you can pick any of these numbers. Press buy, and what that will do is it will put this number into your active numbers, which you should see here. If you can, I get as many capabilities as you can for this number. You can also go through the buy number part as well. Back to Zapier, you're going to want to put the from number as one of the numbers you bought from Twilio. You should see it here. Select it, and then for the to number, you're going to want to have your type form number that you've received. Once you've added that then there, we now want to put in the message which you're going to send to the user once they've gone through. Hey, if you want to get real fancy, you can put in the name. Here is your download link for insert map name. Yeah. And then the link is obviously the link to Glide Apps. Copy the link to the app. Back to Zapier. In goes the link. Continue. Hopefully you can see all the right sort of information in here. If not, just retrace your steps.